Hey everyone, how's it going? Of course, the wind blew here in Las Vegas and I am sick again. So, for the I'm sick and I don't feel like doing hair, we're gonna do a twist to a ponytail style. So, last week we learned the twist, right? So, what we'll do is you just twist your hair. The middle part. And then we just have some fun piggy tails there. Pull your twist back up. Alright, next side. And I just twist it to right behind my ear. Pull this out. And there you go. You have a style, fun, easy, fast. That's what we're looking for when we feel like crap. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share, tell your friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully feeling better, but probably not. Bye.